In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. So first, we want to open our Telegram app. So if you're new to Telegram, so this is the first page Telegram is going to show you. And then when you tap on the next button, it will load and send you a code via SMS. But sometimes that is not what's happening. Telegram is actually sending that code to another device where your Telegram is logged in. So if that happens, you want to select on you didn't get a code button. In my case, I can show you that because it works perfectly fine in my device. So you want to tap on that didn't get the code button. Then after that, it will try to send you a code via SMS instead. But if that method still doesn't work, you want to go to Play Store and download another Telegram account, which is Telegram X. It's another Telegram app, which is basically still Telegram. You want to install that and log into your account. And if you can log into your account to that app, the original Telegram app will send a code via the Telegram X app. So that is my method. If it fixes your problem, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.